And I wanted to give you a glimpse into what Deja Vu Dating is all about. At one level, it's just about your dating to mating journey, anywhere from the time you're about 22 years of age and your energy system has begun to fully mature and transition into what I see and can interact with as a healing and holistic practitioner, your light body, your living light body, to the age of easily over 90, if you're still feeling healthy and well, and your light body and your entire energy system is in great shape, and you're still interested in having companionship, intimacy, bliss, pleasure, and physical connection as part of your sharing and daring experience, until you're unable to do that anymore. So Deja Vu Dating is about understanding that from early childhood on, even from conception, in our DNA, we can have energy patterns laid down in our genetic material that then gets translated into all of our embodied chakras. Those are chakras 1 through 9. And then we can also have that information encoded in the rest of our energy field, in which chakras 10 through 14, even 15, and the primal light and sound fields, 13, 14, and 15, are part of our everyday experience. What I'd like you to know, and what I'd like you to ask yourself, is how is what you can't see with your eyes still having an impact, whether you can see it or not, whether this is beneficial or bad for you on your dating to mating journey. It is in this journey that the most powerful part of you that is manifested in your physical body, your light body, becomes vulnerable. And there's only so much that the rest of you, especially the spirit that is you, can help you if you don't know your own energy field and chakra system, and how to heal yourself, how to protect yourself, especially if you're an empath.